Welcome to Advanced Nature.
Advanced nature at its core is an art practice, a research and development space where we are exploring how we can live in harmony with waste, with nature, and with ourselves. I think advanced nature was ideated and born out of a desire to be able to contribute in a meaningful fashion as I wondered about what is the kind of world that we're leaving behind for our children. So I began to look at India's old construction practices, our temples. Before cement came into India, we used to use lime, which is a very friendly, safe, healthy alternative. We used to put organic extracts into lime. We would mix it with fibers and animal hair, stone and straw and jute. And really, that's how I began to explore a very malleable material that would move with my hands, that would move the way I, as an artist, wanted to make it move. My dream is that we create a better planet for us. That we go back to the values that we had a few hundred years ago, which was living in harmony with nature. My goal through advanced nature is to nurture creativity, the sense of fair living for all. We need to create systems and machines and technology which puts nature first.